everyone, this is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research here at FXPRIMUS, bringing you my North American opening market comment for the 11th of July. Well, the main feature of the FX market so far today in Europe has been the surge in dollar-yen. The reason for that is the result of Japan's upper house election on Sunday. The ruling Liberal Democratic Party and its coalition partner, the Komeito, won enough seats to have a two-thirds majority. That should smooth the path for further fiscal stimulus that Prime Minister Abe has already promised. That line of reasoning sent the Tokyo stock market up 3.8%, and as usual, when Tokyo stocks are up, dollar-yen is up. Also, the thought of further stimulus means further bond issuance, which means further bond purchases by the Bank of Japan, which is another reason why the yen might have weakened. This week's Commitment of Traders report showed that speculators were nearly at a record long position in the yen. So naturally it came off pretty hard when the news came out. I'd expect the yen to keep weakening as risk aversion fades somewhat. The only indicator we have out from the US today is the Labor Market Conditions Index, or LMCI. The LMCI is a pretty new indicator. It was first described by the Fed in May 2014, and they began to publish it in October of that year. The LMCI is derived from a mathematical model that extracts the primary common variation from 19 labor market indicators. It's published the day after the non-farm payrolls report. The index itself isn't published, only the change in the index. Now, economists only recently began publishing forecasts for it, and so far there's been little market impact on release. However, this month it's expected to rise after several months of decline. That could change people's view on how the labor market's developing. If it does have an impact, I'd expect it to support the dollar. Later in the day, Kansas City Fed President Esther George speaks on the U.S. economy. She's well known as the most hawkish person on the FOMC. She was the only person to vote for a rate hike in April, for example. So her comments may be discounted somewhat if she's hawkish. If, on the other hand, she counsels patience in waiting to hike rates, that would be significant. This is Marshall Gittler, Head of Investment Research at FXPRIMUS. Get more market insights on our education pages and turn your trading ideas into action with FXPRIMUS, the safest place to trade.